You can update your BMP61 software two different ways, through Brady Workstation or using a USB flash drive. If you have Brady Workstation, connect your computer to the printer using this USB port and turn the printer on. In Workstation, click the Printer Updates tab. In the list of Brady printers, find the BMP61. An update button should appear. Click Update and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to restart your printer when prompted. Without Brady Workstation, you can complete the update using a USB flash drive. First, go to BradyID.com/BMP61update. Download the latest Y and B files using the link. Right-click on the downloaded folder and extract the files. Once extracted, copy the Excel and bin files to your USB drive. Make sure to put the files in the root of the drive, not within a folder. Remove the flash drive from your computer and with your printer off, insert the flash drive into the USB port. Now turn the printer on. The printer will detect the files and show you a prompt. Select Upgrade, press Enter, and confirm Yes to the upgrade. You may be prompted to delete the files on the flash drive. Select Ignore to keep the files so you can update additional printers. Once complete, remove the flash drive and reboot the printer. If you don't remove the drive, the printer will continue to try to update. Press the Function key, then Setup, and navigate to Configuration on the screen. Here you can confirm the database files have been updated. For more support, go to our website.